Welcome back to RetiredTooSoon. This is going to be a very short video. I'm having a problem with the Godox M1, and I was curious whether you guys have had the same issues. On the dimmer switch, when you turn it up and down in different parts, it creates a scratching, high-pitched sound. I don't know if the mic's going to pick it up, but let's see. I feel like I'm doing like a hearing test. You got different tones. So if you guys don't mind, drop me a comment below if you've had this issues or your thoughts. I do have a video coming out this Friday. So if you'd like to check out my channel, stay tuned. Till the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.